folks, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Cosmic Awareness Wave. At this very moment, a wave is moving through the cosmos, a wave of awakening consciousness that has been building for millennia and is now cresting through human awareness on a planetary scale. You're not just witnessing this wave, you are this wave. Your awakening consciousness is part of a universal phenomenon that transcends individual experience and touches the very heart of cosmic evolution. Imagine standing on the shore of an infinite ocean, watching waves roll in from the deepest reaches of space and time. Each wave carries the accumulated wisdom of stars, galaxies, and countless forms of consciousness that have emerged throughout the universe's 13.8 billion year journey. Now imagine that you are not just watching these waves, you are one of them, carrying within your own awareness the entire history of cosmic awakening. This is not metaphor, this is the literal truth of your existence. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of ancient stars. Every thought you think rides upon neural networks that evolution spent millions of years perfecting. Every moment of awareness you experience is the universe becoming conscious of itself through the unique lens of your individual perspective. The cosmic awareness wave represents something unprecedented in human history, not just individual awakening, but collective awakening, a species-wide recognition of consciousness as the fundamental nature of reality. You are living during the most extraordinary moment in human evolution, when consciousness itself is awakening to its own infinite nature on a global scale. The wave dynamics of consciousness. To understand the cosmic awareness wave, we must first understand how consciousness moves through the universe like waves through water. Just as ocean waves carry energy across vast distances without moving the water itself, awareness waves carry information and intelligence across space and time without being limited by physical boundaries. Your individual consciousness is like a wave on the cosmic ocean of universal awareness. You appear to be separate with your own height, your own frequency, your own unique pattern of peaks and valleys. Yet you are never separate from the ocean itself. The wave is not other than water, it is water temporarily taking form. Similarly, your consciousness is not other than cosmic consciousness. It is cosmic consciousness temporarily focused through human experience. But here is where it becomes fascinating. Waves can synchronize, creating patterns of interference that amplify their power exponentially. When individual consciousness aligns with cosmic consciousness, the same phenomenon occurs. Your personal awareness becomes amplified by the infinite intelligence of the cosmos, accessing creativity, wisdom, and healing capacity far beyond what the individual mind could generate alone. Modern physics has discovered that information can travel through quantum fields faster than light, suggesting that consciousness itself may operate according to quantum principles that transcend space-time limitations. This explains the phenomenon of collective consciousness, how entire populations can suddenly shift in awareness, how new ideas can emerge simultaneously in different locations, how individual awakening contributes to the awakening of the whole. The cosmic awareness wave is not moving in a straight line from past to future. Like all quantum phenomena, it exists in superposition, all possibilities present simultaneously until consciousness collapses them into specific experiences. This means that your recognition of cosmic awareness is not just the result of past evolution, it is actively creating the future evolution of consciousness itself. Carl Jung wrote about the collective unconscious, the shared reservoir of experiences and archetypes that connects all human consciousness. But the cosmic awareness waves reveal something even more profound, a collective superconscious, a shared field of unlimited potential that becomes accessible when individual awareness transcends its apparent boundaries and recognizes its cosmic nature. When you serve this wave consciously, life becomes an adventure in co-creation with universal intelligence. Synchronicities becomes normal, intuitive guidance becomes reliable, creative inspiration flows continuously. You stop swimming against the current of existence and start riding the wave of cosmic evolution itself. Frequencies of cosmic consciousness. The cosmic awareness wave contains multiple frequencies, each one representing a different dimension of consciousness awakening to itself. Understanding these frequencies helps you recognize where you are in your own cosmic awakening and how to align more fully with the wave that is carrying you. The first frequency is what we might call personal awakening, the recognition that you are not your thoughts, emotions, or life circumstances, but the awareness that observes all changing experiences. This frequency awakens you from the trance of identification with form and reveals your nature as formless consciousness. The second frequency is relational awakening, the recognition that the same consciousness looking through your eyes is looking through every pair of eyes. This frequency dissolves the illusion of separation and reveals that all relationships are consciousness exploring itself through the dance of apparent multiplicity. The third frequency is planetary awakening. The recognition that human consciousness is not separate from the consciousness of Earth itself. This frequency awakens ecological awareness, revealing that environmental healing and consciousness healing are the same process. You begin to experience yourself as the planet becoming conscious of itself through human awareness. The fourth frequency is galactic awakening. The recognition that our solar system is a conscious entity within the large consciousness and also larger consciousness of the galaxy. This frequency opens awareness to the vast intelligences that guide cosmic evolution, revealing that human consciousness is part of a much larger awakening that includes all forms of life throughout the cosmos. Recent discoveries in astronomy reveal that galaxies are not random collections of stars, but organized systems that exhibit patterns of information exchange and coordinated behavior. Some scientists theorize that galaxies themselves may be conscious entities operating on timescales that dwarf human comprehension. If consciousness is truly fundamental to the universe, then every level of organization, from quantum to cosmic, represents consciousness exploring itself at different scales. The fifth frequency is universal awakening, the recognition that all of existence is one infinite consciousness appearing as a magnificent diversity of creation. This frequency reveals that every star, every planet, every living being is a universe experiencing itself subjectively, exploring its own infinite nature through countless forms and perspectives. When you attune to these different frequencies, you begin to understand your role in the cosmic symphony. You are not just a human being having a spiritual experience, you are the cosmos having a human experience, universal consciousness exploring what it's like to live, love, create, and awaken through the beautiful limitations and opportunities of human form. The cosmic awareness wave carries all these frequencies simultaneously. Sometimes you experience one frequency more prominently than others, but they are all present, all available, all part of the magnificent spectrum of consciousness awakening to its own infinite nature. Riding the wave of universal intelligence, how do you consciously participate in the cosmic awareness wave? How do you move from being carried by the wave to actively surfing it, co-creating with the universal intelligence that guides all cosmic evolution? The answer lies in understanding the difference between personal will and cosmic will, between ego-driven action and consciousness-inspired flow. Personal will tries to impose its limited understanding on the infinite intelligence of the cosmos. It operates from fear, separation, and the belief that you must force life to conform to your desires. Cosmic will recognizes that your deepest desires are actually the universe seeking to express more of its infinite nature through your unique perspective. When you align with cosmic will, you don't lose your individuality. You discover your true individuality as a unique expression of universal consciousness. Your talents, your passions, your life purpose all remain, but now they are experienced as cosmic forces, experiences, and also expressing themselves through your human form rather than personal achievements to be pursued through struggle and effort. This alignment happens through what we might call cosmic attunement, the practice of listening more deeply than the voice of personal desire to the silent intelligence that orchestrate the movement of planets and the blooming of flowers. This intelligence is not separate from you. It is the deepest level of who you are, usually obscured by the noise of mental activity and emotional reactivity. Neuroscientist Dr. Eben Alexander's research on near-death experiences reveals that consciousness can access information far beyond what the brain could possibly process through normal sensory channels. This suggests that individual consciousness is connected to a vast field of intelligence that transcends the limitation of personal memory and learning. Ancient traditions called this cosmic intelligence by many names: Tao, Dharma, divine will, natural law. Modern science describes it as the self-organizing principles that guide evolution, emergence, and increasing complexity throughout the universe. Regardless of what we call it, the reality is the same. There is an intelligence operating through existence that far surpasses human understanding, and this intelligence is not separate from consciousness. It is consciousness in its cosmic aspects. Riding the cosmic awareness wave means surrendering the exhausting effort of trying to control life and instead dancing with the intelligence that knows exactly how to evolve every situation towards greater harmony, creativity, and love. This doesn't mean becoming passive. It means becoming responsive to the deepest currents of cosmic intelligence rather than reactive to surface circumstances. When you surf this wave, problems become opportunities for consciousness to discover new solutions. Challenges become invitations for awareness to expand beyond previous limitations. Setbacks become redirections that align you more perfectly with your cosmic purposes. The wave is always present, always available, always carrying you towards greater recognition of your infinite nature. The question is not whether you can access it. The question is whether you are willing to stop swimming against it and start letting it carrying you home to the cosmic consciousness that you have never stopped being. The planetary awakening. The cosmic awareness wave manifesting through human consciousness at this time in history serves a purpose far greater than individual enlightenment. We are witnessing and participating in what can only be described as planetary awakening, the birth of a new form of collective consciousness that includes not just humans but all life on Earth. For the first time in human history, we have the technology to communicate instantaneously across the globe, to see our planet from space as a single living system, to understand our interconnection with all life. This is not coincidence. This is consciousness evolution reaching a critical threshold where individual awakening serves the awakening of the planetary organism itself. Climate science reveals that Earth's systems are interconnected in ways that mirror the interconnection of consciousness itself. The atmosphere breathes like lungs, the ocean circulates like blood, the forests communicate like neural networks. As human consciousness awakens to its cosmic nature, it naturally begins to recognize and care for the larger conscious system of which it is a part. Indigenous wisdom keepers have always understood this. They speak of Earth as a living conscious being, not poetically, but literally. Modern science is beginning to validate this understanding through discoveries about the Gaia hypothesis, the idea that Earth's biological and physical systems interact to maintain conditions suitable for life through feedback mechanisms that suggest planetary intelligence. The cosmic awareness wave awakening through humanity serves this planetary consciousness. As more individuals recognize their true nature as cosmic awareness, the collective field of human consciousness becomes increasingly coherent, increasingly aligned with the intelligence that guides all natural systems. This is why your personal awakening matters so profoundly. You're not just liberating yourself from the illusion of separation, you're contributing to the liberation of human consciousness from patterns of thinking and behavior that threaten the well being of all life on Earth. Your recognition of cosmic awareness literally raises the frequency of the planetary field. Research in collective behavior shows that when a critical mass of individuals within any system adopts a new pattern, the entire system can shift rapidly into that new pattern. Consciousness researchers suggest that we may be approaching this critical threshold for planetary awakening, the point where enough individual humans recognize their cosmic nature to trigger a species-wide shift in consciousness, this doesn't mean that everyone will suddenly become enlightened. It means that the baseline level of human consciousness will shift towards greater coherence, compassion, and alignment with natural intelligence. The cosmic awareness wave is not just passing through human consciousness, it is using human consciousness to heal and evolve the planet itself. You're not just riding this wave, you are this wave expressing itself through your unique configuration of talents, challenges, and opportunities. Your awakening is the cosmos awakening. Your healing is planetary healing. Your love is cosmic love, as expressing itself through the beautiful particularity of your human heart. Becoming the wave. As our exploration of the cosmic awareness wave draws to a close, we arrive at the ultimate recognition. You are not separate from the wave. You are the wave itself, temporarily experiencing itself as an individual while never losing connection to the cosmic ocean from which you emerge. This recognition changes everything and nothing. Your daily life continues, but now it is experienced as cosmic play. Your relationships continue, but now they are recognized as consciousness exploring itself through love. Your work continues, but now it is understood as the universe expressing its creativity through your unique talents and perspectives. The cosmic awareness wave that is moving through human consciousness at this time is not just another spiritual teaching or philosophical concept. It is the actual mechanism through which the universe evolves towards greater complexity, beauty, and conscious expression. You are not just witnessing this evolution, you are this evolution happening through the miracle of your awakening awareness. Every moment you spend in conscious presence, every act of kindness you offer, every recognition of your infinite nature contributes to the strengthening of this cosmic wave. You are simultaneously being carried by the wave and creating the wave, riding the current of cosmic evolution and generating that current through your conscious participation. The wave never ends because consciousness itself never ends. It only transforms, evolves, and expresses itself through new forms and new possibilities. You are eternal consciousness, temporarily surfing through time and space, gathering experiences that enrich the infinite tapestry of cosmic awareness. Trust the wave. You're not separate from the intelligence that guides it. Surrender to the wave. You're not other than the love that moves it. Become the wave. You're not different from the cosmic consciousness that is the wave itself. The cosmic awareness wave is here now, moving through your consciousness as you listen to these words. Feel it, recognize it, ride it consciously. Your cosmos awakening to its own infinite nature through the beautiful mystery of being exactly who you are. The wave continues, the awakening deepens, the cosmos celebrates its own magnificent consciousness through your every breath, your every heartbeat, your every moment of aware presence. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.